Good morning, you guys. Alex here from Bulls and Bears, or folks, Alex from YouTube. Real quick, if you're new to my channel, my name is Alex, and I'm a 19-year-old trader attempting to master the Forex market to potentially one day join the very few who make a living out of this. So if you're a person looking to get into these markets, or maybe you're already trading these markets, you're definitely in the right place, as everything that I show here is not only realistic, but truthful and honest, as I typically show all my winners and all my losers for transparency on my spreadsheet. So with that being said, today is day one of our 365-day challenge, trading the Forex market and trying to see if it's actually profitable or not. So the market just opened. It is 6:31. The stock market, that is, it just opened. The Forex market has been open already, but the stock market is just barely opening. So we are seeing some good volume come in. But so far, nothing has come up. So I'm going to pause and wait for good opportunities to arise. All right, I'm going to go ahead and try to go along here on the Euro Swiss franc. Let me just put that up into one screen for you guys. 10,000, 8 pips away. Let's see if actually we could go with 15,000. All right, let's try to go in right there. All right, so we are in, and stop loss pretty much below these candles over here. Target is going to be a little bit it's a little far-fetched now that I see it actually, but let's just hope that this works out. And yep, so far we are down $3, but I'm going to plug these numbers into our spreadsheet and see where we're at. So far we're coming down, likely going to be taking a loss. Hopefully we do, so we can just move on with our day and go into something more faster. But I'm going to pause until then. All right, I really didn't even catch that, but we got stopped out, unfortunately. So that was the first loss for today. Now let's plug in the numbers and see if we have another opportunity here. So it looks like we got out at 6:39. So that was like a 6-minute trade. I'll plug in the numbers for you guys real quick. All right, so I have my eyes on these two right here. For the top one, I'm looking for this thing to make a move in the upward direction around this green line right here, and then we'll enter. For this one in the bottom, I'm looking for it to go a little bit more higher and then come back down. So that's where I'm at right now. All right, I'm going to jump in right there. We have a close stop loss actually and a close take profit. But I don't know what the news is actually, so I could just be buying into bad news right now and we'll end up taking a loss. But I just know that there's good volume, so that's good for us. So far we're up 2.4, but for the day we are down $13, unfortunately. So we're off to a decent start. Even though we're down, we still respected our stop loss and our targets. So yep, let's hope this trade does as well, and we end the day with the how much, I don't even know how much that would be if we profited. 14. So that would definitely put us out of the hole. So let's hope that we actually do profit here. But the price is coming down as I speak. But I'm going to pause and wait and see. Well, I should have mentioned that these candles are 5 minutes, so every candle is going to be 5 minutes worth of time, so it might take a while. It is 6:46 right now. I have till 7:30, so a little under an hour left. But I will pause. All right, looks like I'm going to be taking a loss here, you guys. Price is coming back down. I'll make sure I actually get this. Yep, and we took another loss, $14 loss. So we're down right around $30 now, unfortunately. And now that I see it in hindsight, I probably should have gone in on this one right here short. But that is hindsight for you guys. I will pause and be back in the next trade, if there is a next trade. All right, I'm actually going to try to go ahead and get long this time. This time I'm going to go with the same amount of shares. But this time with a much bigger stop loss. I know, wait, that's a little too close. I'm gonna move them just under this candle because you can see the previous candle that took me out, it didn't even actually make a lower low. It kind of just missed it by a little bit. So this time I'm gonna put it just a little bit lower. I'm probably gonna adjust it through my phone just because I can't really see how much I'm risking here. So I'm gonna do that real quick, but we are in again, 10,000 shares. Hopefully this move actually gets in the green. If not, I'm probably gonna call it a day since that is 3 losers in a row, but I'll pause for now. All right, so we're getting a nice move here, but I don't know if it's enough to take us out with the profit. And even if we do get out with the profit, we're still gonna be in the red for about $14 or so, but at least we're gonna be digging ourselves out. So that's where we're at right now. So I actually should have showed this at the beginning just so you guys can see where we're at. The account was at, let's see, 358.53 cents in the beginning of this video. And now it looks like we are at, let's see, where's it at? Now it looks like we're at 620. So we're down $8 right now, $9 coming back down again. So that is unfortunate, but that's just the way the way that the market is. You could be getting winning streaks in a row, or it could be losers. But as long as you make more in your winners, you should be good. So I actually had a strategy in which if the price went halfway to my target, I'd actually be adding to it. Therefore, we could make more money than we lose. But unfortunately, I couldn't attempt that today since price never really reached our midpoint of the target. But look at this one right here. Wow, I should have just gone short on this one, right? And I was just considering it, but I just needed more of a rejection right here, or of a bounce. All right, so I think I'm gonna close out of this one already. That'll probably be like a $10 loss or so, as you can see. And I'm gonna be going in on this one right here. What is it? Euro JPY. Yeah, so this one looks more attractive. It's also a little more, has a little more volume. So, let's see, what is that? 48. It's like 10. Let's see if we're going 15,000. Nope. All right. Oh my God. So we bought this instead of selling short. Not that. No way, you guys. No way. Yep. So it just is not it today. And there it comes down. Big mistake. Oh God, man. This is... It just is not the day today. We're gonna lose like $14 right there. What? God, all right. I have to call it a day now. I just have to call it a day. Alright, you guys, so it is 7:21. I have 90 minutes until I have to close this, all my positions, and just leave my computer already. But so far, this is where we're at, 619. We went from 645 to 619, and that is, or 655 to 619. So that's like a $30 loss, 40, I think. Let's go check out our spreadsheet. Yeah, that's like a 30. I can't really see. Let me see if I can move this. That's a $37 loss in one day. That is not good at all. That's a really bad start, actually. And yep, I think there was like one big mistake was obviously the trade that we're in right now, which is probably low-key gonna take a profit off of it. But I already actually rated it a 1 out of 1 just because we messed up. And that's not the first time I messed up on that. So that deserves a 1 even if we end up profiting from it. but the other ones that were good in terms of following my rules and everything. So yep, let's just see where this one is. But if it's not, if it hasn't reached any of my targets or stop loss, I'm probably gonna close it anyway. It is 7:22, so we'll give it a couple of minutes and we'll see where we're at. All right, you guys, that's gonna be a wrap right there. I know I said I was gonna close everything no matter what, but I'd just be a little foolish if I were to close it right now, since the price is potentially gonna reach it, and it is 7:27 already. We're getting 7:30, so I'm just gonna let this. I'm gonna leave everything exactly as it is, or take profit right there, stop loss right there. I'm gonna forget about it already, and hopefully we do get to reach the profit area. I'm gonna keep you guys updated tomorrow, then for day number 2. But day number 1, so far we are down $37. That is not a good start, but I think that's actually not a lot of money. And that's nothing we can't come back from. We could easily take that out with 1 or 2 winning trades. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're enjoying this little challenge so far. Day 1 not so good, but I think there is still potential to profit off of this. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay focused, you guys.